Evergreen. Candid. New trends in Icse chemistry for Class 8. Language of chemistry. Introduction. The abbreviations are used in every field of study to save space, time, and labor. Similarly, in chemistry, abbreviations are used to represent the names of elements, compounds, and to represent reactions. It not only saves time, but makes our learning and understanding quick and easy. Symbol of an element. It represents the short form of an element. A symbol has qualitative as well as quantitative significance. Qualitatively, it represents name of the element. Quantitatively, it represents one atom of the element, atomic weight expressed in AMU. For example, the symbol C represents carbon, one atom of carbon, 12 parts by weight of carbon. In some cases, first letter of the name of the element is taken as its symbol, and it is written as capital. For example, carbon, C, nitrogen, N, oxygen, O. In some cases, the symbol of the element has two letters. First letter is capital and the second letter is small. For example, cobalt, Co, nickel, Ni, calcium, Ca. In some cases, the symbol of elements have been derived from their Latin names. For example, sodium, Na, derived from natrium. For nowadays, the symbols of elements having atomic number more than 100 have three letters. First letter is capital and other two letters are small. For example, unilbium, UNB.
Chemical reactions.
Language of chemistry.